Hey y'all, I'm driving through a blizzard in Arkansas. This is what a blizzard looks like in Arkansas. Look at it. It's so pretty. This is what a blizzard looks like in Arkansas. Look. This is what a blizzard looks like in Arkansas, y'all. Look. This is Arkansas, y'all. Look how pretty it is in Arkansas. Y'all never been to Arkansas. Hey y'all, this is what a blizzard looks like in Arkansas. Look, it's a church. We have churches in Arkansas too. Y'all, see? God is in Arkansas too, y'all. Okay? Y'all have a blessed day. God bless y'all, okay? Goodbye. Bye-bye from Arkansas.